Struggling to hit your savings goals? What if there was a way to make your money work harder for you, right inside your Revolut app? Saving money can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. You set a goal, but then life happens, and suddenly that target date feels miles away. That's where the Revolut Savings Vault comes in. It's a fantastic feature that allows you to easily separate your spending money from your serious savings, and depending on your region and Revolut plan, even earn some interest. Think of it as your own personal, high-security piggy bank, but one that actually helps your cash grow. In this quick video, I'm going to show you the simple, step-by-step process of setting up your very own Revolut Savings Vault in just a few taps. Let's dive into the app. First, open up your Revolut app and head to the home screen. Under your main balance, you'll see the Accounts selector. Tap on that, and then look for the Add New option. This might also appear as a simple plus icon. From the list of accounts you can open, scroll down and select Savings. This will usually present you with the Instant Access Savings option. Tap on that. Revolut will now guide you through a few screens explaining the features, the estimated interest rate, and the essential terms and conditions. Take a moment to review this information, as the rates and exact process can vary slightly based on your location and your Revolut subscription plan. Once you're happy with the details, confirm your selection. You'll then be prompted to choose an initial amount to fund the vault. Remember, with a savings vault, there's typically no minimum deposit, so you can start small. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your main Revolut account. Finally, confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your new Revolut Savings Vault is now open and actively earning interest, instantly separating that money from your daily spending. You can set up recurring payments, round up your spare change, or make one-off deposits anytime to grow that balance even faster. You'll find your new vault listed right alongside your other accounts on the home screen. A savings vault is the perfect tool for specific financial goals, like a new car, a dream holiday, or just building that emergency fund. It gives you the peace of mind that your money is secure and working for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.